You think your room is messy? Wait, because the Amish have a rule, the Amish 10-minute formula, so brutally effective that it can clear any chaos in just 10 minutes. And once you hear it, you won't see your clutter the same way again. This isn't decoration. This is discipline. This is the Amish 10-minute formula.
The hidden rule. The Amish have this strange calmness around their homes. Not empty, not fancy, just controlled. And the secret isn't some big ritual. It's tiny, almost too tiny to take serious. They call it the 10-minute law. You give 10 minutes to the mess. Just 10. Not perfection, not punishment, just movement. And that movement does something deep. It breaks the weight that's been sitting on your shoulders for months.
Why 10 minutes? See, the brain hates big tasks. It runs, it hides, it negotiates like a scared kid. But 10 minutes? Even the laziest part of your mind can't fight that. It's too small to argue with. The Amish understand this psychological trick better than most modern households. Make the task tiny, almost silly, and suddenly your body starts working without the drama your mind creates.
The start point. Most people start cleaning from corners. Wrong. The Amish start from the center. It feels weird at first. You stand there, just you, surrounded by the life you've piled around yourself. But it forces clarity, forces decisions. No hiding behind walls or furniture. You are in the middle of your mess, and now you deal with it.
The first sweep. Don't try to clean everything. Not yet. The Amish begin with 5 items. Only 5. Just enough to make your brain wake up. Clothes, paper, a bottle, a shoe, anything. You pick them, you place them, or you toss them, but you move them with purpose. This small sweep creates momentum, and momentum is the thing that finishes the job when motivation dies.
The placement law. Every object must have a home. This is where the Amish are ruthless. If something doesn't have a place, it becomes clutter. Simple rule. But it stings, because the real problem isn't too many things. It's too many things without identity, without purpose. So the Amish assign a place, instantly. No overthinking, no emotional pauses. Put it or remove it. Nothing in between.
The elimination step. This part hurts modern people the most. If something is broken, they remove it. If it's unused for months, they remove it. If it's emotionally heavy but practically useless, they still remove it. Not someday, not when mood comes, now. Because keeping dead objects creates dead energy. And the Amish, they don't keep dead things around. It's wasteful. It slows the spirit.
The flat surface rule. The Amish believe the state of your surfaces shows the state of your mind. Tables, shelves, dressers, counters. If they're messy, the mind stays foggy. So they keep flat surfaces clean, almost aggressively. Nothing piles, nothing sits for later. You see a surface, you clear it. It becomes a habit that protects your focus more than you expect.
The reset ritual. When 10 minutes are up, they don't push more. They pause, look around, breathe, and do one final reset. Fix small errors. Fix minor disorder. It's like sealing the room, giving it closure. This ritual tells the brain the work is complete for now. And that feeling alone makes you want to come back tomorrow.
The daily repeat. The entire power of the Amish system isn't in the 10 minutes. It's in the repetition. Every day, 10 minutes, No excuses. No skipping because you feel tired or busy. When you repeat small actions daily, your room doesn't just get clean. Your thinking gets clean. Your habits sharpen. Your discipline wakes up.
The transformation. After a week, the room feels lighter. After 2 weeks, your head feels lighter. And after a month, you don't just clean anymore. You reset. You control. You choose what stays and what leaves. This isn't about minimalism, not really. It's about clarity. A mind that isn't drowning in objects. A life not crowded by things that never mattered. This is the Amish 10-minute formula. Simple, silent, but powerful enough to change the architecture of your days. Hit subscribe to Rustic Pantry, where simple ideas change heavy lives.